Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be doing chicken fried rice. Right here in my bowl I have about 2 pounds of cut up chicken breast tenderloins. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder. I'm going to add some black pepper. That's my black pepper. And I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of low sodium, less sodium soy sauce. I didn't add any salt because we know that the soy sauce is kind of salty. And what I'm going to do is mix this all together. And I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator and marinate for about an hour so that it will soak up all the flavors. And with this recipe, guys, you can use whatever veggies that you have in your refrigerator. Whatever you have in there, you can use that in your chicken fried rice. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna put my lid on top, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about an hour. And I'm gonna cut up my veggies, and I'll come back, guys, and we'll go to the next step. Keep watching. All right, guys, so this is what I'm gonna use in my chicken fried rice. I have 1 green bell pepper, 1 orange bell pepper, 1 carrot. I have ginger, garlic, onion, and some of these mushrooms. So I'm gonna cut them up and I'll come back, guys. All right. And also for my rice, I have rice in the freezer. This is a half of a quart bag of brown rice. So it's basmati rice, but I will be using that. All right, guys. All right, guys, so now I have cut up all my veggies. I have my mushrooms, my carrots, my orange bell pepper, my green bell pepper, and I did find my red bell pepper. It was on the table, guys. I have chopped onions, a little bit of garlic, and ginger. So I know I'm gonna have to add a little more soy sauce. Also, I will be adding some sesame seed oil. That's about it. So now I'm gonna get started on the chicken. All right, guys, so I have my pan cut on medium. I'm just gonna start with some avocado oil. I have about a tablespoon of oil in the pan. And my pan is hot. So that chicken that I marinate. All right, guys, so my chicken is cooking. All right, guys, as you can see, the chicken is cooking. I'm gonna let it cook for about 3 more minutes and then I'll take it out. I'm gonna add my veggies. Let these cook on medium until they get softened. I just want them to soften up. Then I'll come back and I'll add my chicken back in and the rice, guys, and I'll reseason. Keep watching. All right, guys, my veggies are cooking up nicely. So I'm gonna let them cook for about 3 more minutes. Then I'll come back and I'll add the chicken and the rice. Well, I think I'll add the rice first, then I'll add the chicken. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna add the rice. And this is about 2 cups of rice, 2 good cups. So now I'm gonna dump my chicken back in. So now I'm going to redo my seasonings and then I'm going to taste it. Because I didn't have any on the vegetables or the rice. So I have the black pepper, the garlic powder, the onion powder. I would have added teriyaki, but my teriyaki, I'm out. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of the light sodium soy sauce again. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon oil. I'm sorry guys, sesame oil. This is very strong, so you don't want to add too much. The hoisin sauce is pretty good, and also the oyster sauce is good. All right, so I'm just gonna mix. I don't want it to be too salty. And I am going to taste this. It has a very good taste. Maybe a little more soy sauce. And it does need a little salt to it. So I'm going to add a little salt. And a little soy sauce. And this is the season to taste recipe, guys. So everything looks good, and I'll retaste it. But I am going to cut it off. Well, I'm going to put some in the bowl and taste it. Make sure it has enough seasoning. That is just right. I added a little salt and it made a world of difference, guys. It really did. So this is good. Guys, I want to thank you for watching my videos. I hope you have a great and blessed day. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed.